Hello friends, welcome to Idiot's Diary. My name is Mahesh Shitlani and today you are again here to learn Java programming tutorial with your friend Mahesh Shitlani. So today we are going to learn how to install Java and how to set up environment for running Java programs. First of all, we will discuss what is the software requirement for running Java program. So friends, we need Java Development Kit JDK to run Java program. There are various versions of JDK available, but you always have to use the latest version of JDK. On the time of this recording, the latest version of JDK is JDK 11.0.1. So let's download this JDK version and then move ahead for setup Java environment. To download JDK, you need to search Java download on Google and there will be a link of Oracle website will be appeared. Click on this link. Oracle website will be open and here you can see you can download the Java latest version, that is Java 11.0.1. Click on the download button and then you need to accept the license agreement, and according to your operating system you can download any version. I am here downloading Windows 64-bit JDK 11.0.1. This will take some time to download. Till then I pause this video and then resume this video when downloading will be finished. After downloading Java, just click on the JDK icon to start installation. Then it asks you the permission to install. Press yes, and after some background process the dialog boxes appear. Press next, and we want to install development tools. Click on next, and after some process Java will be installed. When Java is successfully installed, there will be a message appeared that Java Standard Edition Development Kit 11.0.1 is successfully installed. Then press close to close this dialog box. After the installation, to check whether the Java is installed successfully or not, go to your C drive, then program files, then Java JDK 11.0.1 and bin. These folders are found, and in the bin folder you can see all tools like Java, javac that are used to compile or run the Java program are found here. In this way you are ensured now that your Java is installed. Let's make a sample program and check how it can be compiled and run. To create a Java program, we need a plain text editor. We are using Sublime Text Editor during this video series. You can use any other text editor like Notepad, Notepad++, TextPad for creating a Java program. So let's start with creating a Java program. Here we write class and class name is welcome, because each Java program is start with class, so we write class and class name is welcome. In Java, class name is written in such a way that first letter of each word should be capital. So first letter of welcome is capital here. Before proceeding, we have to save this program. So we are saving this program on our desktop Java folder and day2 folder. We save this program with the name same as the class name, like welcome.java. One of the rule of Java also says that your program name should be saved with the same name as the class name. What happens if we do not follow this rule, we will discuss in few minutes. Next point is every program has a starting point. So in Java, starting point of the program is main function. So we write main function. In Java, main method is written in such a way: public static void main and string args. Here string is a class, so s should be written as capital. What is the meaning of these words public static void main? We will discuss in-depth meaning of these words in our upcoming videos. So till now you have to remember this syntax to write basic Java program. After this, to print Java program, we use the statement system.out.print and write welcome to Java. Every Java statement must ends with semicolon. So after this we put semicolon. Here system also represents a class, so first letter of system should be capital. In this way we have created a basic Java program. Now to run this program we have to first compile and then run this program through the command line. Let's learn how to use the command line to compile and run Java program. So go to the start menu, type cmd and press enter to open the command prompt. Now you are in C drive, users and Mahesh folder. To compile the program, you need to reach at the location where you have saved the program. To change folder in command line, you can use cd command. Cd stands for change directory, and now we are writing cd, and I have saved my program in desktop, Java and day 2 folder. So I switch to my folder in which I have saved my program. Now to run the program I use javac and program name, that is welcome.java. But here you can see that javac is not recognized as internal or external command. Why this error occurs? So let's review some things. As you have seen, when we install Java, javac command is found on C drive, program files, Java JDK and bin folder. But currently javac command is used from desktop, so it is not available on this path. Now if you observe our above command javac welcome.java, then you feel that you can save your program at anywhere. But javac is always exist in C drive, program files, Java JDK and bin folder. So is there any way to remember your PC that your javac command is found in bin folder of C drive, program files, Java JDK? Yes, there is a way, and the way is called remember javac command path, that is called Java home in your environment variable. So copy this path and press the start icon, search this PC, right click on this, go to properties and then advanced system settings. After this environment variable, here you can see there are two sections. One section user variable for Mahesh. This section is works for current user that is logged in Windows, and second section is system variable. This section is works for all users. So currently we want to work with current user, so we set our Java environment variable in this section. First I have already saved my path, so I delete this path and now create a new variable named path and paste the Java variable path. In this way I can create my path. If a path already exists and you don't want to delete, then you can use edit option and then put the semicolon in the existing path and add the Java path. In this way the Java path is saved in environment variable, and now your system will automatically search where the javac command exists. So let's try. Before trying, you need to restart your command prompt because it does not refresh. So we again open the command prompt and now try javac command from anywhere. You can see this javac command is run from C drive users Mahesh folder. I switch to my drives to D drive and now try javac command. In this way you have successfully set your environment variable with Java path. Let's go to our program directory, that is desktop, Java and day 2 folder, and in this folder I try to compile my program javac welcome.java. My program is successfully compiled. Now after compilation, if you look at your directory in which you have saved your program, you can see there is a class file is generated named welcome.class. This is a class file which is known as a bytecode. Now Java is run through JVM and JVM understand only bytecode. So invoke the JVM with the bytecode you have generated, but remove the dot class extension and run the program. You can see the output is generated welcome to Java. In this way you can set Java environment variable as well as run your program. Once again, let's review the process of compile and run Java program. So first we create source code and saved with .java extension. Here we have created welcome.java. After that we are invoking the Java compiler and give the program name by using this command javac welcome.java, and if our program is successfully compiled, then a bytecode is generated named welcome.class, and this bytecode is executed by JVM that produce your output. In this way your Java program does not work with operating system directly. It works only with the help of JVM. One last thing that we want to discuss here, that what happens if our class name and our program name differentiate. So we change our class name with welcome Java. Now our program name is welcome.java, but our class name is welcome Java. Before compiling and run this program, we should delete the .class file that is previously generated. So we remove the .class file. Now let's try compiling this program. So first we clear the screen by using cls command, and now we compile the program by using javac and program name welcome.java. Now if you try java welcome and then try to run this program, then there is an error occurred called java.lang.class not found exception welcome. Why this error occurred? So for this clarification, let's check your folder. If you check your folder, you can see that Java generates .class file with the name same as the class name. So in Java, for each class there will be a .class is generated. So when you run the .class, you need to give the name of the .class which have the main function. So in this way, to run the program, you need to write Java welcome.java that produce the correct output. Let's summarize this concept. When you compile the program, you have to use .java file. When you run the program, you have to use .class name which have the main function. In this way, you are now perfectly ready to compile and run any Java program. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. If you have any queries, then you can comment on this video. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Our Facebook and Instagram links are given in the description below. Thank you.